Your database has been deleted from your server. To recover your data, send 0.0041 bitcoins to the following wallet. This is what one of my white-coded friend found in his OpenSearch database, and he came to me asking if there is some way to recover this data without paying the hacker. If you ever run into stuff like this, you should never ever pay. I will tell you why. There are bots on internet which are scanning all the available IP addresses and the ports attached to it to see if any of these ports are open and if they can connect to that port to get your data out. In fact, if you go to this site called Shodan, you can see right now there are thousands of databases open to the internet and are already compromised. And this white-collar friend of mine who wasn't aware of any of this used some cheap LLM models to set up his whole infra on AWS. And these cheap LLM models configured his OpenSearch cluster with the default username and password. And one day he somehow ended up messing up his security group configurations to open this port. But let me tell you why paying money in cases like this is pretty useless. During our investigation, we couldn't find any signs of the hacker copying your data from the EC2 instance to the hacker's network. And storing your data would be pretty costly for the hacker as well, right? So what they do is they would just delete your data, they would put a README file there, and they just expect somebody to pay them for basically nothing.